All right, hello everyone. I am back at it again. I am trying this thicker paint pearl pour again with just Artist Loft, Floetrol, and a little bit of gloss medium. I thinned the same white paint that I used in the last one. I just added a little bit more water to it. So it's just the tiniest bit thinner than the actual colors are. It still has a little bit of a mound when you are looking at, the reaction of the paint off the stick back onto the top of the cup. And I'm out of my sunset colors and I didn't want to mix up anymore. So I'm actually using lime green, purple, yellow, and black. I don't know how that part is going to come out, but I really just want to see if the reaction is going to happen. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with this one. I've actually got a lot of black right on the top here. So I don't know how that part is going to come out. Okay, good. My purple is showing up. But yeah, I had a ton of black there. Okay, here's my other color starting to show up. I was hoping that it would kind of be like Northern Lights, but I don't have enough of the purple next to the green. But that is okay. I'm just kind of shifting this one so that I don't get too much white. Oh, that was a big clump. Oh no. I have to stop that right there. Oh my gosh, am I going to be able to find it? I saw that thing. There it is. And that actually created a really cool design. You know what? I didn't want to use all the paint in the cup. I'm going to stop right there. That looks like a spider. Wow. I actually love that with the white and the green hooking around it and the purple going through here. That's really pretty. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Okay, so less paint on the canvas and thinner white. Let's see if that does anything. And if not, I really love the way the other two paintings turned out anyway, so. Okay, that should be plenty of white to go around. Yeah, I just had maybe about an ounce of paint left in the cup and I didn't fill it all the way. So for a 20 by 20 inch, I used probably about 7 ounces, 8 ounces, 7 ounces, I would say. It's my Molly math. This is definitely thinner. The white is definitely thinner than it was the last two pours paintings. I am loving the colors in this one. I was really worried that they were just going to kind of muddy because yellow and black can make a green that is not always pleasing to the eye, and the purple and the green and the purple and the yellow, they all can. So I'm happy that this turned out the way that it has so far. But now let's see. Okay, so I can tell for sure that my colors are a little bit thicker than the white. The white is running faster. And I'm really gonna have to stretch this to get it to all sides, but that's really what I needed to do in order to see if I could get these cells to pop up. I just didn't want to lose my center. And I don't think I will. So I'm gonna see if these colors are gonna pop up. I mean, if the white's gonna pop up. Can I make it? Yes, she can. Oh my. This is stunning. It has a very, okay, so I'm not getting any cells popping up, but this has a very Tim Burton feel to it. Is that right? Tim Burton? Yeah. Nightmare Before Christmas, right? Whoa. This is just super cool. I am kind of starting to get them to pop up on the sides. It's almost like the thinner I went, the more they didn't show up, which is very interesting to me. But I used different colors as well. There's like so much that goes into this. So I don't know. I'm starting to get them, but just around the edges and really nothing over here. And I didn't even really get great side coverage over there. I am gonna try to tilt a little bit more off. Oh, I don't wanna mess up the design. I'm just gonna leave it. Yeah, I'm actually quite surprised. So going thinner did not make those cells pop up anymore. As of right now, I should say, because I see them starting to form. All right, I'm gonna keep playing with this one. I mean, this one I like just as a painting, so I'm not mad at this one at all. But I wonder why I didn't get the reaction. I'm definitely gonna have to paint these sides. Huh. Thinner and more water did not work. So I wonder if thicker with more Floetrol might. But I really like this one just for what it is. So I'm gonna take you in and then we'll see if any cells develop later on for this one too. So I'll show you the wet result. How cool is like a spider? And then that's where I was trying to get that blob out, but I love it. So they're starting to form around the edges. I think there was something to be said about not having enough paint on this one. I'm feeling like a kid again, experimenting with all this stuff. And look at the reaction that happened here. It looks almost electrified. But maybe this is giving you some ideas too. So let me know if you've tried anything like this, or that center is, so this is for, what are they called? Arachnid lovers. Or some type of insect. All right, I'll show you the dried result. Okay, so the experiment with the pearls on the outside did not actually work the way I thought. So I'm gonna have to go back to the drawing board. I thought about one thing to do is I feel like I just didn't have enough white paint around. So I wanted to maybe take it with a spatula and go ahead and spread it to the edges and then circle the painting on around. But look at that center. That is so cool. I had said like a spider, but I think maybe like a scorpion is what that's reminding me of. I don't know. You can let me know. But the tiny little snow-like particles that popped up on the edges, it is super cool. The purple got really lost. It's almost as black. Let me see if I can get you. It's almost as black as the canvas, or dark as the canvas. But I really like it. All right, I'm going to keep experimenting with this. I am either going to figure it out or make a bunch of paintings. Or do both. All right. Thank you all for watching. Happy painting. Bye.